Hello there, this is Martin and Moolman from Jigsaw Training. The purpose of this quick video is to give you a brief idea how Slide Master works in PowerPoint. Why would we want to use Slide Master? Well, if you're going to do a presentation and you've got, say, 5 slides for instance, and you would like to use the same layout for every single slide, then this is what you'll do. So you'll use Slide Master, you can insert your images wherever you like, and it'll keep that same format for all your slides. So if we go up to the top left here, new slide. So we'll just click on that a few times just to bring up, say, 5 slides you can see on the left here. What you'll then do is you'll go to Design. PowerPoint has a whole range of pre-selected ones here, or if you've already saved one that you would like to use, you can do that. But if we just click on that drop-down box there, we'll just pick one and let's go with this one, say. So there we go. So you can see on the left-hand side here now we've got 5 different slides, but they all look the same. So if we want to start using Slide Master, we go up the top here, and one of your top options here is View. Click on that. And just to the left of it, there is Slide Master. We'll click on that one. And it brings up a whole lot of different slides. They all look very different, but stress not, it's not difficult at all. What we'll do is we click at the very top one. That is your title slide. Whatever we do on this one is going to be, like I said, the main one here. So I would now like to insert a picture. So in this case, I will use the Jigsaw logo. So up the top there, there's Insert. Go down to Pictures. Hopefully you know where you've saved it. I'll just scroll all the way down because I know where mine is. Click on Jigsaw logo and Insert. There we go. So it pops up here. As you know, you can drag this around. I'll put it top right hand corner. You can also resize this if you like. We'll just make it all plain and simple. So it's sitting at the top right there. Hovering over this on the left hand side, you'll see the slide will be used by slides 1 to 5. Now if you go one just underneath it, it says that is your main slide. So that's going to be slide 1. Underneath that is slides 2 to 5. So you can choose any of them, but we'll just keep it simple again and go for this one. So we'll click on that. See the logo stays in there. Say we want to change the font here. You can do that to anything you like pretty much. So let's just make it stand out. So let's just use that for instance. Say also you would like to highlight that a little bit more, your header. You would go to Insert, Shapes, and let's just click on rectangles for instance. Then just left click on it, drag. There we go. So you can just make that bigger just to go over, but see obviously your writing's gone now, but simple fix. So just right click on that color, scroll down till you see Send to Back. You can send to back or send forward. We'll just click Send to Back. There we go. So it brings it out again. You can obviously also change your color there if you like. If you'd like that to stand out even more. So left click and drag over it, go back up to Home, click on A and choose any color that you like. Let's just click white to make it simple. So there you go. We want to go back to our main slides now to see what it all looks like. We just go back up to View here. Slide Master right over there. And you see there's a Close Master View. So we'll close that. This is our main presentation. So remember how we dragged that over? The title, so slides 2 to 5 is now exactly how we set it up there. But if we look at slide 1, which is our title slide, it hasn't got the logo. See the logo top right here? On our master slide, it's not there. So a simple fix for us there is to go back to View at the top here, go back to Slide Master. We are on that title slide. If you scroll up here or if you look up here, you'll see Hide Background Graphics. It is ticked at the moment. So if we untick it, there we go. Our logo pops back up. It also, I don't know, for some reason that popped up as well. Simple fix, click on it and delete. There we go. So then we just go Close Master View again. And there it is. There's on our title screen as well. There we go. So that's a very simple way to do Slide Master. Now, should you really like this, and you would like to keep using it for all your future slides, you just click on Design, click on your drop down box again, and Save Current Theme. So let's just call this Jigsaw 1 and save. There we go. So it will sit in there now, right at the top there. So whenever you want to do a slide again, you can just click on that and Bob's your uncle. I hope you enjoyed that and I hope it helps.